Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can reduce the shakiness on your video on Snapchat. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on the little plus icon. After that, you will see a video stability option. Tap on it. And now, take the desired video. And that's it guys. Using this feature will reduce the shakiness of the video on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.